Wait, is Hikari Teeth Whitening Powder actually the easiest way to get whiter teeth, or is this just another viral internet scam? Here's everything you need to know. Hikari claims to whiten teeth without peroxide, which is the ingredient that often causes sensitivity in traditional whitening products. Instead, it uses POP Plus technology, hydroxyapatite to support enamel, and CPC to help fight bad breath. According to the company, it's designed to remove stains from coffee, wine, smoking, and everyday foods, while being gentle enough for sensitive teeth. The biggest selling point? No strips, no trays, no LED lights. Just dip your toothbrush into the powder and brush normally. The company says some users notice results after only a few uses, although results will vary from person to person. Now, the big question, is it a scam? Based on publicly available information, Hikari appears to be a real product with an active website, ingredient disclosures, terms of service, and a money-back guarantee. However, most of the reviews featured on the official website are company-hosted testimonials and have not been independently verified. So while there's no clear evidence proving Hikari is a scam, there also aren't many independent review sources yet. That's why you should always check third-party reviews before buying. And remember that whitening results depend on your teeth, habits, and consistency. So, what's your verdict? Revolutionary whitening powder or overhyped marketing? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews before you spend your money.